Jayashree. Actually, I'm coming to this church since 2005. I got baptized. I didn't know about Christ, and Lord has done wonderful miracle. Actually, why am I standing is to tell that God cares for us, and there is nothing which is impossible to you for Him. Last year, I was selected for one post which was very good, and for that, I resigned from my office of IDBI Bank. But then it got so delayed that that post was cancelled. I got cancellation letter also, that too in the month of February. My husband said, we are the fighters. We should not accept any defeat as such. And I've been praying God. There were a lot of ups and downs. And I surrendered to God. And He has done such a wonderful miracle that the one who had cancelled it, they have accepted me. I joined that organization. That's a central government organization in the month of July. And since then, I'm working there. What I mean to say is when all the doors are closed, He can do anything. His ways are just, we think sometimes ki God will do in this way, God will do in that way, but His ways are, I'm just standing here to give praises and thanks to Him because I really lost hope in that particular situation. But by doing that miracle, He proved Himself again that He can do just anything. There is nothing impossible to Him. Further, in the month of August, I suffered with chikungunya, and I never knew that it was that kind of pain. It was so difficult even to stand up and walk. And then I prayed to God, prayed to Him. In fact, around a month I was suffering like that, or maybe more than 1 month. And then He said yes, and He has healed me. And then next day when I came to church, I could sit, I could stand, and it's like, I don't know how to express that. But for Him, the situation which are impossible just previous day just becomes possible. I give all the praises to you. The Lord has been doing wonderful miracle every moment.
Glory to Jesus.
And whosoever believes, whosoever depends on Him, He is not a God who will lose our hand. He said we are crafted on the palm of His hand, and He always watches over. I just want to give thanks and glory to wonderful God. I'm thankful to Pastor Garu and his family for a person like me who is a Brahmin, never known anything about Christ. In fact, could be the antichrist who doesn't like the way. So because I didn't know, and He was so patiently, He taught me about the words when I know what is there in Bible, because there are many people who judge Christians based on whatever our behavior, but we don't know what is there in the Bible. We don't know what is there, how our Christ, our Lord is. And when I came to know about that, I just want to give thanks to God, thanks to my spiritual father for doing wonderful miracle. The salvation is the biggest miracle in my life, and I'm really thankful to God for all this, His wonderful help. Okay.